How do you check the Apple Watch size? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you have access to like the watch and you're not sure about the size, you can check out the settings, tap on general and click on about, and you should be able to see some information about it, right? You'll be able to see the exact model, and based on that model, you can see the specific like information online, right? So yeah, that is like the first step to do it. So if you have like the Ultra Apple Watch, you'll be able to see it like that, whatever. But as you can see, it doesn't necessarily tell us anything about the size, and that's why I believe that the best way to do it is to flip the Apple Watch over and pay attention to the small text around the circular sensor area. So you'll be able to see some information about it, and it is most definitely going to tell you the size of the watch. So that is the best way to do it, because you can literally just know it even without turning the Apple Watch on. Even if you're like buying a watch or whatever, you'll be able to identify the model as well as the size by just looking at the backside, and it should all be written right there. It's not like prominently shown, so it's kind of like harder to read a little bit because the text is very small, but if you pay attention to it, you will most definitely see it, and you'll be able to know more information about the watch. So that is how I check it out, right? So let me know what you think about it below. Let me know if you managed to find it and see it on the backside of the watch as well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.